Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a full face of first impressions. If you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little red button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. I usually don't try this type of videos on my English channel. I do them on my Spanish channel. If you guys have been watching me on my Spanish channel, I do them all the time. But I thought it would be nice for me to start doing them on my English channel as well. This, like as you can see, this is like a full glam makeup using first impressions, which I actually really liked a lot of the products. Some products I didn't like as much. Now, if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start off with this Physicians Formula Rose All Day Oil. Okay, so this one looks sort of white. I mean, this oil feels a little bit more heavy, but I really like the scent. It smells like roses. I like the scent. It feels really nice on my skin. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Tattoo Studio from Maybelline. I hope I can actually do them with this because this is the first time I'm using this sort of product. So the brush looks like this. So this doesn't look bad at all. It looks actually pretty nice, but the only thing is that I like my eyebrows a little bit more outlined, so I'm gonna try to do that with the same product. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is the number 7 brush. So I already did my eyebrows. Now I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl Lid eyeshadow primer. So before I move on, let me tell you a little bit more about this eyebrow product. I really liked it. The only thing I wish it came with like a little brush or something like that, because it's perfect for when your eyebrows are like populated and they're outlined. But for me, I feel like I needed to fill them in just a little bit. This one is not that thick at all. Actually kind of light, but it's not white either. It's more like the color of your skin. So okay, before I move on, I actually wanted to show you guys my nails. I just put some press-on nails. These are from Empress Tips. These are the mirror finish ones. I've been wanting to do my nails, but the only thing is that my nails are really bad right now, only because I had acrylics and they kind of ruined my nails. Okay, this thing is like kind of tacky. Now I'm just going to set my eyebrows with any translucent powder because I do feel them, they're really sticky. I don't want them to be this sticky. I'm just going to be removing what I just put on because I actually did not like it. It kind of looks patchy after you set it, so I just didn't like it at all. It's actually kind of hard to remove as well. It almost feels like I put glue on my lid. I don't know, I just did not like this. It's so hard to remove. So this product I did not like. It doesn't mean that it's not good for everybody. It just means that it didn't work out for me. And I really think that the reason why it didn't work out is because I tend to have more dry skin. So my lids are kind of not slippery, not oily. So my lids are kind of on the dry side. So that's the reason why I feel like it did not work out for me. And generally when I apply concealer, I don't set my eyelids at all. So now for shadows, I'm using this PUR Cosmetics Visionary palette. I did receive this one courtesy of Octoly and PUR Cosmetics, so I can actually try it out on this tutorial. Let me show you how the palette looks from the inside. From the inside, it looks like this. It has really pretty warm tones and berry tones, which I really love. So I'm going to start off with this color right here. Okay, so to start off, I'm using a Morphe M504 brush like always. And I'm just using this as a transition color. I'm doing circular motions and windshield wiper motions. I'm basically applying it almost on my whole eye. Like, just want this to be a transition color. Because for this eyeshadow palette, I feel like it's pretty pigmented right now. The only thing is that it does have quite a bit of kickback, but for me that doesn't really matter. As long as the shadows blend really good, I'm fine with it. Okay, for the next color, I'm going to be using this one right here. Okay, so for this color, I'm just applying the color Tycoon on my outer V with a Morphe R39 brush, and I'm just like applying it, like I said, on my outer V and buffing this end really good. And I'm slowly bringing it in just a tiny bit. I mean, the shadows are blending pretty good. For the next color, I'm going to be using this color right here, which is the Rebel color. Mila, Mila, diles hola. Hola, diles hola. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be using a Morphe M421 brush. Now I'm going to be applying the color Optimist with a Sigma E54 brush. And I'm just applying it like close to my outer V. Now I'm going to be applying the color Leader with the same Sigma E54 brush. So I'm just applying this one on my lid, like on the center of my lid. Okay, I'm going to be wetting it just a tiny bit with my MAC Fix Plus. For the next shadow, I'm applying the color Dreamer. Also wetting it just a bit with my Fix Plus. And for my last shadow, I'm going to be applying the color Innovator. Now I'm going to go back with the color Rebel. Now I'm using a Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just applying it on my outer V. And that's it. For primer, I have this Cover FX blurring primer. So this one looks like this. I actually kind of like this one. It feels like it's blurring my pores and pretty good. For foundation, I have this Huda Beauty foundation. This one is in the color Tres Leches, which I feel is a little bit dark for me. So I'm going to be using my Sigma 3D HD blending brush. And I'm just going to wet it with a little bit of MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so now I'm just blending out. This one is a bit darker for me than my skin tone. So I actually ordered the wrong color, but we're gonna make it work. I should have ordered like one that was a little bit more yellow tone. This one is more orange tone, but I'm gonna try to make it work. Oh, just messed up my eyebrows. Okay, I'm gonna bring it all the way to my ears because my ears are too white for this foundation. And I'm gonna bring it down as well. For concealer, I don't have any new ones, so I'm gonna be using my Tarte Shape Tape. And this one is in the color Light Sand, which is kind of light for me. I really like this Sigma sponge only because it's so easy for me to reach under my eyes to blend, because sometimes I have a hard time with some of the brushes, some of the sponges to blend that part. So that's why I've really been liking this one. You can see it was so easy for me to blend that. To set under my eyes and my face, I have this new powder from Hourglass. I almost feel like this one is melting onto my skin. It just looks so pretty. To bronze my face, I have this PUR Cosmetics Mineral Glow Bronzer. This one, I'm applying it with a Sigma F50 brush, which is one of my favorite brushes of all time. Wow, this is such a pretty bronzer. So I want to try this out. This is from Avon. This is the True Color. And this one's in the color Moonlight. This is a highlighting powder, but I just feel that maybe I can use it as a bronzer. For blush, I'm using this PUR Cosmetics Blush Book. This is the 4-pan shade magnetic blush book, and I did receive this one courtesy of Octoly and PUR Cosmetics, and this is what it has. It's so pretty. I'm going to be using this color right here. This one is really pigmented, so you guys have to be really careful. I feel like I applied a little bit more on this side than on this side. I was completely forgetting about mascara. For mascara, I'm using this Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. Okay, so the wand on this one is huge. I always like to start applying it from my root. I mean, the mascara is not bad. I actually do like it. I don't like the brush that much, but I do like the mascara. For falsies, I'm using these falsies from Velvet 59. And I did receive these courtesy from Octoly and Velvet 59. These are in the style Barbie. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of the color Tycoon. for my tear duct area, I'm going to be applying the color Dreamer. And I'm also bringing it in just a tiny bit. For my lips, I have these new lipsticks from Kokie Cosmetics. I was thinking of using one of these, and I don't know. Maybe these two colors will go. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. To highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be using this Almay palette. This one is in the color Here Goes Nothing. And I'm going to be applying this color right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.